Compatible with Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. One-piece design, hard case is ultra-slim with a soft grip and wireless charging compatible. Drop tested to meet military standard, MIL STD 810G 516.6, with raised edges that protect camera and screen. Thin profile case slips in and out of pockets smoothly and installs easily. Prefix Series is an ultra-slim, resilient OtterBox case that protects your phone from drops and scrapes. Its solid one-piece form is precision designed for your phone, and its soft touch edges provide great grip. The case installs easily onto your phone and it slides in and out of pockets seamlessly. OtterBox is known for its stellar customer support and industry-leading warranty. Wrap your phone in the trusted protection of Prefix Series. Top reviews from the United States. I've used OtterBox phone protectors on 3 different phones over about 7 years, and this one is no different. Nothing flashy, just sturdy. I've never had a cracked screen from dropping my phone when it's protected with OtterBox. I like that the version for this phone, Samsung A53, has a clear back too. Always solid. Thanks again, OtterBox.